Kashmir is such a beautiful valley and also home of delicious flavors that all comes from their traditions and heritage. Their food is not just food, it's like a culture for them. And today I am making this delicious recipe of Kashmiri chicken. So let's start this recipe. So first I am going to chop onions as fine as I can. So once the onions are chopped, I'm going to marinate chicken. This is around 750 grams of chicken, and such a simple marination for this, I'm going to use salt, chili powder and turmeric powder. Just mix it all together. Now keep it for at least half an hour. After this, heat oil and fry chicken which has been already marinated. Do not cook it completely. I'm just going to sear it. Just color from one side and turn it over, and then that's it. So my chicken is seared now. I'm going to make gravy for this. Now in the same oil, I'm going to add whole spices. Now add chopped onions. Once the onions are transparent, now add ginger garlic paste. Cook it for a while and add tomato puree. Now this tomato puree is homemade tomato puree. Now add spices. Add turmeric, salt and Kashmiri chili powder, coriander powder, fennel powder which is also called saunf, cumin powder, cook this masala for 2 to 3 minutes or you see oil separated. Now add cashew nut paste. This is simple boiled cashew nut paste, and cook the masala further 2 or 3 minutes. So as you can see, the masala is almost ready. I am going to use yogurt which is dahi. Now do not use yogurt which is too sour, so use the yogurt which is less sour. And add your chicken pieces which has been seared. Now cook this chicken in this gravy for about 2 to 3 minutes. Now as a source of liquid, I am going to add milk to it. This is full cream milk. So once you see the first boil, just reduce the flame and add garam masala to it. Some kasuri methi. Now for the real taste, you need to keep it on dum on a very slow flame for about 6 to 7 minutes. And this is what we got here. This is Kashmiri chicken. I hope guys you like this recipe. Please do like, share and subscribe.